All right. 1 to 4 family contract, paragraph 6, what is it, 6E3, statutory tax districts. If the property is situated in a utility or other statutory created district providing water, sewer, drainage, or flood control facilities and services, Chapter 49 of Texas Water Code requires seller to deliver and buyer to sign the statutory notice relating to the tax rate, bonded indebtedness, or standby fee of the district prior to final execution of the contract. Now, what that means is there are going to be special tax districts in certain places, especially outside of a municipality, because this is the community creating these tax districts. Water is a big issue right now. So water and sewage and drainage are one of those things. Okay. So how do you know? Well, number one, you ask the seller because the seller has to give this notice before the contract is executed. Or they will be in violation of Chapter 49 of the Texas Water Code. So they do have to give that information early. So how do we find out? Ask the seller. If the seller says there is one, then there is a notice. This is a TREC form that they can use. However, we really don't want them using this form. We want to get the actual form. So what we can do is go to the county records, under the county tax records, see if there's any taxing jurisdictions. In this case, here's one here from the Comal County Water Control and Improvement District number 6. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. I'm going to open up a new browser and I'm going to paste that in here. When I do that, it comes up right here, district data, Comal County Water Control and Improvement District. I click on that. This tells me here's the information. Let's go to the district website. And then here are a bunch of MUDs that in public improvement districts that were created. We're looking for Comal County Water WCID. I don't remember what that says. Comal Water Control and Improvement District. So here's the Water Control and Improvement District number 6. I click on that. District information and documents can be found here. So we're going to click there. We come to this website. I got to look around a little bit to figure it out. And as I go through, I see notice to purchaser. This is what I'm looking for in this case. And I click on the current notice and it brings it up. So me as the listing agent, I want to do this due diligence. I want to ask my seller. I want to get this form ready to go. This has the current indebtedness of the property. It's 85 cents on each $100 of assessed valuation. In this case, the seller is going to date and sign this, give it to this buyer to date and sign so that the buyer is aware. Again, this notice is required according to the contract before we go under contract. So get that over to them. Make sure it's signed along with the contract. And also note that it is going to be here on the county website with all the tax information that is necessary. Okay. If y'all have questions, go to your broker, come to me. Let's make sure that gets taken care of. All right.